And prop off for now once we caught up.
Yeah. Yeah, save your cap.
Oh, we're stable, we're fine.
Yep.
Oh, plus 10% to armor.
Ooh, a little bit of red.
Got a what?
A little bit of red.
Right. Start the 6-hour timer.
That's it. I'll see you boys in 2 hours.
Start the 6-hour timer. I'm still seeing warriors on the feroxes, so if you've got drones out, make sure you put them on the structure.
Is everyone getting hit notifications, or are you getting?
Yep, we're all getting hits.
Yeah.
Make
Roughly
sure you get
around
all your drones on.
average 50 DPS, something like that.
Actually going down pretty quick. We're already down to 9.
Oh, look at this. Beautiful.
Mhm.
So
Doing
make sure
over
you keep an eye on
1,000.
local for any flashies coming in.
I've got a neutral sitting just outside as well.
Beautiful.
And don't forget your boosters.
Oh yes.
This is going to take 6 hours. We're already 10% through. Well, 8%.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going pretty quick. To be fair, this is good. Good
Unless it
progress.
gets thicker in the 20%.
This is what, shield and armor?
Just
Remember
shield
a sec,
today.
we were
Just
gonna-
shield.
Just shield. Oh, so yeah,
Next
we're gonna be
timer.
done quick.
Next timer will be armor and hull.
Hull 7.2 million. So when we kill this, the war ends, right?
Correct.
Easy enough.
That's how it works. We kill the war HQ, war's over. Everyone that's war decked us so far, we've gone after the war HQ.
You remember like a couple of things a month ago we arrived and it was already like wrecked the station.
Yeah, I'm gonna say they got fucking killed for us because they'd war decked they war decked multiple people. We arrived to fucking kill it and it had already been fucking refed. It's like, for fuck's sake. To turn around and go back. It ruined our fun that night. I couldn't find out who refed it either, so we could get
Well, didn't they
we could
war
get
deck
in on
like
it.
30 different freaking alliances?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, these guys
know,
are war decked with a shit ton of people too. I'm surprised it's sitting here.
I don't know why they do it. It's a bit weird.
To gate camp and hunt cheetah. That's why they do it.
Well, Black Flag does that for sure, but
If you go through this group's kill board and go down, I mean, this area, they gate camp constantly.
This group or Riot?
This group, Riot, looks like they have a little bit more of a null environment.
Yeah, Riot look like they do travel to null every now and again, but rarely.
But if you go one page into this group, it's all in this area on gates. It's all ganks.
Should we RF Riot tonight as well?
Theirs until midnight, I think. It's like 12 o'clock Eve time, I think. Because they war decked us like easy 5 hours, wasn't it? 5 hours after.
18 minutes past 12, yeah.
But I don't know whether I don't think they fly with these guys, because what I thought was maybe Maybe they were going to help each other in the war deck, or maybe not.
Cycle your guns. Couple not shooting.
Oh yeah, don't forget to cycle.
Yeah, I think I've riot like a mercenary group, so
I think Riot just war decked the people that have been war decked.
Maybe, yeah. Just try and pick a few people off. But then this group did turn around and say that they'd contracted help. And I'm wondering whether that was Riot, because Riot used to be mercenaries.
yeah.
Oh, Riot's at war with Slice, Goon Swarm, Fraternity Test.
Yeah, there will be, because I think they're going after everyone that evicted. They're possibly going after everyone that evicted this group.
Ah, right. Okay.
Well, that's what it looks like anyway, after looking at it. Oh, we're melting this thing down to 79% already.
I don't understand how we're doing this much damage to it.
Skills, bro. Mad skills.
I'm doing over 1,000 to it.
Yeah,
But the math
1100.
doesn't make sense. The math doesn't make sense.
On average, 1100 on the volley, and then the drones are kicking its face in as well, to the tune of about 100 each, or between 50 and 80 each.
I keep getting warp disabled notifications. I think it's coming from the structure.
Yeah. The structure automatically scrams you for like 30 seconds. It's nothing to worry about. I feel like talking to the locals.
That was funny when they came into our local and they were like, "Why the fuck are you being so nice to us?" You're like, "Hi, welcome."
I'm just 07.
We all got 7 at the same time. Look at that.
And they just drop some 07s in local, say hello to the friends, and these is... I'm going to get to know these guys over the next few days, I think.
Start recruiting in the local.
Yeah. Seb, get on your game, bruv.
Make sure they're not spies.
Bring all these spies in from high sec. Although, don't bring those in. They're in the boring industry alliance.
I'll give you a titan.
Give you a titan.
Fucking epic. You lot crack me up. It's like going on a pub crawl in Eve, isn't it? Just fucking... I enjoy a high sec visit every now and again. It's fun. If it wasn't for these people war decking us, I'd never be here apart from a trip to Jitter every now and again. Don't forget to cycle guns again, guys. On that magic number, 69.
Aw.
Nice.
You broke it. You broke
What
it.
the fuck is this?
Is that some code? Something.
I
Gotta
don't
crack
know.
the code.
Crack it. What's it say? Slado.
Say shadow.
No, it
What's the
just
shadow?
says I import love a small dick.
Uh-oh.
Actually, fuck off. You nonce.
+1 hostile and local.
Yes!
Yes.
Might get interesting. Logi might have something to do here.
Time to set
Ah.
up now.
He's a proud member as well, it says so.
He's like, guys, stop. Stop, guys.
Oh,
he's
man.
warping in.
Run.
In a
He
pod.
came in the
No
capsule.
way.
He's jumping on the station, isn't he?
Yeah, just
Yeah, we can lock him
broadcast
up
for
there.
reps if you get yellow box by the structure. Just broadcast for reps straight
We're
away.
gonna just kill him with the drones.
How do you know if you get a yellow box?
Because
I
the
didn't know.
structure will go yellow.
Ah, okay. Yeah, he's docked up. He's docked in.
Yes.
No, if you cannot break the Logi, it's literally... He's gonna shoot at drones.
They rejected my alt application, by the way.
Aww. Fuck sakes.
Just fucking
feel
love
like
it.
we're in Jita or something over here now.
Anyone getting yellow box by the station?
Yeah, I am. I'm being
Yeah.
muted.
Keep your souls alive, guys.
Broadcast as soon as you get targeted.
So does it just tell you that you're being yellow boxed?
Yeah.
You see it in your
Yeah.
overview.
Okay.
If you're
Red
being
box.
muted in port, take one down. If you're struggling for cap, but it shouldn't be too bad.
He
That's
instantly
looks
completely read me.
shield or
I
arrow?
just get muted as well.
Yep, just broadcast for cap.
Oh, he's
Just
on
keep
me.
your cap chain up.
I'm gonna need some shield.
If Logi need to, you can always bounce and come back. Don't lose a ship. So let us know if anyone's getting into trouble. Like I say, Logi, if you need to bounce, just bounce out.
So why were you invulnerable then?
Yeah, because he had me muted and stuff.
That doesn't make you invulnerable.
That doesn't make sense, Mike. Dickhead.
Seb was trying to tether, wasn't he?
Yeah. Please let me talk.
Let me in. Knock knock.
Oh yeah, we can tether. Lol, so
You imagine
All
it.
you gotta do is de-aggress for 1 minute and just tether up and wait.
Oh, he's new to me again. That's boring. Come on, man.
So if it nukes you, you just tether and get the cap back off it. Thanks.
Is Logi doing alright, yeah?
Yep.
Oh yeah, we're
Yeah, they got full.
He's switching target
reps
now.
on that course.
Just
He
make
really doesn't like me for
sure
some reason.
make sure you recycle. Make sure you cycle your guns and stuff.
Ask him where all his friends are.
He's got none.
Oh.
Fucking, he's draining me, fucker.
Just broadcast for cap.
I'll give you some cap, mate. There you go.
Yeah, you
It's a little
This is
light
kinda
show
funny.
coming from the station.
I know.
Is anybody losing drones?
No.
they've not got a point defense of.
No.
Oh.
You stable now, Seb.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay,
Doing
reestablish.
well.
There you go.
I bet this guy's had to pack
Oh.
his shopping bags from Jitter to jump
Milano's
this
taking
station.
damage.
Fucking muted me again.
He's warp scamming me.
Milano's taking damage.
Yep, we're on.
Yeah, just broadcast for shield. Broadcast for shield. If you need it.
We've got all reps on Miller. All reps on Miller.
Yep.
Good shit, guys.
Wow, he posted cringe. Oh.
That's
They
over.
took-
You took get him up.
Tell him took you long enough to get here, mate.
Why, have they got more people coming? No.
Import, throw me a cap. We're good.
I got you.
Good shit, guys. Good
Need
shit.
some more cups if you can.
Yep.
Using Milano again? Lol.
Import, if you keep one on me, I'll put 2 into Sab and then I'll bounce it between you.
Cool. Yeah. I'm being neutered still. What a dick. So boring.
Pandemic Horde.
I'm being neutered now.
So,
Ooh, I'm scrammed and wept now.
Okay,
And
we've got
EC
enough.
jammed. He's going for me now. Oh, item shield.
Import needs shield.
Yep. I need cap. Sab.
yeah, I don't have any.
Okay, dear grass, stand Logi.
Yep. Deergrass, warp off.
I can't jump.
You'll still be able to.
Gonna have to stick me.
no.
I can't. I'm being wept.
Oh,
We're gonna lose import.
rip import.
Well,
Import dead.
Yeah, we're
Alright,
way too close anyway.
Logi, you might need to warp off. And come back.
XP lit up. Alright.
If you need to warp off, guys, if you get in damage, just warp off, come back. Just stop aggression, warp off, come back. For the time being, like we're gonna struggle now with only 2 Logi, but
Yeah, I need more Logi.
see if you can get another Bazzy from Didixie. It's only 5 jumps out. Right, Milano's taking it. Milano, just de-aggress, pull your drones, warp off, warp back. You should have enough time to de-aggress and warp off.
I think he's scrammed.
Yeah, it's
by
got
the looks of it, yeah.
I can't hear him.
He's not talking.
Oh. Oh, maybe gonna lose
He hasn't
Milano then.
begun aligning yet.
Is he AFK?
He he's broadcasting for shields, but he's not.
He has him scrammed. The station.
He dead.
Yeah, Milano's dead. Alright, we're gonna have to pull off.
Yep.
Everyone pull drones. Pull drones.
Our module has run out of charges.
De-aggress. Anyone scrammed at the minute?
I'm being neutered, so I can't jump.
You should be able to without any cap, I think. Just won't take you very far.
Taking damage.
Anyone being scrammed or not? Not take
left
this
4.
I'm dead.
What was you in? A pod?
The Ferox. Being scrammed and webbed. I couldn't jump because I had no cap.
Oh.
Well, that's the end of that little escapade anyway. We can't fight him without any Logi. That's why Logi was important. So what we lost so far then? 2 Feroxes and a Logi?
I think so, yeah.
Do you Logi?
We lost 2 Logi.
2?
I only see 1.
No, just one.
Basilisk.
There's one.
Did anyone else get stuck? Because, yeah, I'm only seeing 1 Bazzy here.
Yeah, I'm here as well, but I'm like in a safe point.
Ah.
Oh well, get to fleet, mate. Walk to fleet.
So them needs are rough.
Yeah, they always are, mate, yeah. That's why ideally I wanted a bit more Logi than what we had today, but it is what it is.
Let me see if I can buy one.
What's the range on the station point?
Oh, pretty far.
200 kilometers.
Anyone hear Milano yet? Still muted, I think. I don't really know what was going on there, but
Yeah, he had him scrammed. He's usually writing on fleet. He can hear us, but he usually writes.
yeah, I don't have time to read messages while we're in fleet.
I'm in battle. How much ammo do those things have?
It's not so much wasn't the ammo that was the issue, it was then the newts that was fucking people up.
Ah.
Well, it was fucking our Logi up anyway.
Warp drive active.
Yep.
But while we're sitting here, I'm going to go 3 jumps and get some more ammo.
Yeah, top toilet.
Yeah, how far's is it to Dixie's? What, 3 jumps from here, is it?
Yeah.
5.
No, 5. Their Sutton is 3, which is where I have all my stuff.
Let me see if I can buy some shit here.
I personally say
Alright.
we go back.
Oh, if we go back, we're just gonna lose all the ships one by one.
Even if we bring some more Logi?
If we can get more Logi, then no.
Yeah, I
Maybe not.
think so. Import is coming back, grabbing the Logi ship.
I think we need more than 3 to keep them alive.
Yeah.
We need double.
Yeah. We need like another 2 people in Bazzies to keep the fleet going, really. So unless we've got 2 more Bazzi pilots, we can't really go back. Which is a shame.
Well, it seems to be one of them. I got a Lashak sitting here.
No good with no Logi.
No.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
See, we should have brought Lashaks instead.
No. No,
Okay.
we shouldn't have brought the ships.
We could have just got a little more damage on it before he showed up in his capsule.
I knew someone would come eventually and man it, but this is why I wanted. I didn't know you don't know the fit until it starts hitting you, do you?
Yep.
And
Yeah, I can buy another one here for 200.
What
Yeah,
about
just-
the fit?
I don't think 3 is gonna hold us. We need like another 2 Bazzies on top of you 3. Unless we've got 2 more people that can swap into Bazzies, then we're kind of done here, to be fair. And it'll be repaired in about 10 minutes. Or repairing in 10 minutes. In fact, no, I think it just fully repairs in 10 minutes. So.
I can't, otherwise I would. Gotta wait a whole
Oh, we
month.
could have just used bombs.
What?
I'm up with stealth bombers.
Docking permission requested. Docking
Yeah,
request
bomb at
Yeah.
ISO.
selected.
Yeah, you can't bomb. You can't use bombs in ISO. I think he would just break us again with if we go back with 3 Bazzies.
Yeah, there's like a 2 sides or something.
Shame.
Do you want to maybe park the ships in here, Og? Then get a pots and back, run back?
No, we'll probably go dock elsewhere.
Warp drive active.
Well, try another day.
Yeah, well, we'll have to. We just need more people, don't we? So we've got more Logi. We haven't got enough Logi pilots. We need like another 2 or 3 before we can come and try again. Now we know what the fit is.
5 in total with command burst is enough.
Say again, mate.
5 in total with a command burst is enough.
Yeah. Say 5 and links would help, but either way, we're still short. So we can't really do it today. Which is a shame. We tried. Remove waypoint. Where do these guys gate camp?
Warp drive active.
All around this area.
I'll go on and make my way back to Odyssey.
What station is it in, Dixie?
20.
Moon 20, yeah?
Correct.
Right. Everyone align. Everyone align this gate.
Docking permission requested. Docking request accepted.
Where are you going, Oxec? The other way?
No, mate. I just want to make sure he has nothing to do when we go. The lot can take gate when you get there. I want him to sit here and wait for us to come back for the next half an hour.
I'll let you know.
I'm going to put a clone into Dixie and then jump clone back to Ozzy. Oh, death clone back to Ozzy, sorry. Everyone take gate. We tried. It was unlucky.
Where are we going
Almost.
back?
We're going to the Dixie, we're going to dock up.
Can you drop a desk?
Warp drive active.
There you go, Sinfleet.
Thanks.
They got a lot of structures here.
Yeah.
They also got a moon popping soon.
Yeah.
Oh, the blob uni is in our space. 13 of them.
Bless them. Tell them to give us 10 minutes and we'll be back.